Oh, it was terrible. It was so bad. And now you get to see it. Today, I'm gonna show you my first video as I react to the things going on in the video and to show you that we just have to get started. There's also some tips along the way that I'll share that I used in my first video that made it a little better. Hi, my name is Bonitatibus, and on today's episode of Home Care Digital, I'm gonna embarrass myself.
Social media, it plays a vital role in our business.
So this was when I was working at Hurricane Marketing Enterprises. So Steve took some time, he introduced me, and then I jump on screen. Today, we're talking about the 10 reasons why you must have a Facebook page for your home care business. Oh my gosh, already. One, the graphics were terrible. Two, I almost seemed angry in the video. I was like, today we're talking about Facebook and the 10 reasons you should use it. And if you look, I'm actually not looking at the camera very closely. You can see I'm actually looking at the screen of the camera. And so that's kind of a funny thing. But then here, it jumps in, right? Exposure. Okay, because you never know who you're going to see or who's going to see you. I was struggling so hard to record, and so I had to just cut pieces of me speaking at the conference because I literally could not get a word out. Like I couldn't even speak in full sentences. I was struggling so much. I share this because again, I feel your pain. It's this element of when we do it and we practice, we can improve, but we got to put in the reps. You can find out their interests. Do they like to travel? Do they like sports? Do they have kids? It's also a great tool to meet new people. See, again, just showcasing some of the videos that I've done. I mean, I'll give credit. I was like animated. Like, check this out, right? I mean, this is kind of funny. It's engaging to some degree. It's free. So corny. I mean, I kind of love it at the same time that it's super corny. I mean, I'm a corny person, so I can't help it. But it's somewhat engaging. But the one thing to take notice of this too is that I'm doing jump cuts. And so you can record your videos the same way where it's like 3, it's free. And so then you go to the next part. When you edit your videos, it makes it so much easier to do this. And so this is a big thing that I've been focusing on with a lot of my students in that when we edit our videos, it becomes so much easier. And I know I'm kind of trashing and embarrassing myself here, but you may watch this video and go, hey Nick, that's actually not too bad. I mean, this was made, 5 years ago, 6 years ago. So I've come a long way since then. Got more hair on my head. Well, in some places, kind of receding a little bit. Anyway, so with this, right, the more that we start to see the different pieces, right, when I was just like listing things, you can do that too, where you just take it one step at a time. 1, stop, pause. 2, stop, talk about it. And so it becomes a lot easier when you crop and edit. This whole one take wonder thing is a waste of time. Stop trying to record your videos in one take. That is so difficult. Like I had somebody submit a video to be edited and they sent me 6 versions of it. They weren't following the program that I teach, which is why they did this, but they were wasting so much time because they said the intro like 6 times. You only need to say the intro once, then move on. Only re-record when you mess up so that you can get your footage done so much quicker. All right, I'm gonna like fast forward a little. There's one part that's like kind of funny. Oh, here we go. Oh, Facebook Insights. See, all still pretty relative. I mean, Facebook Insights is great. So that's still a good tip. More clips of me speaking. Oh, what do we got here? Web traffic, gotta drive people to the website. 8, boost SEO, still true. So what's great is this is like lasting content. I mean, I'm still getting views on this video, which is pretty funny. Where is it? Where's this one? It's gonna make you laugh. Let's see. But also notice like, oh my gosh, I'm so dry. There's no energy, there's no enthusiasm. This is how a lot of people start. And they hear themselves and like, oh gosh, I sound so dry and dead. Yeah, well, that's how it starts. You have to work on it. You gotta watch yourself to improve. And so, yes, I'm kind of berating myself here, but when I watch this video, I'm so proud of myself for willing to put myself out there. I mean, I shared this video. I was telling everyone about it. Oh my gosh, I made this video. You got to check it out. We could just kind of work to improve, and the same reason why NFL players and baseball players watch film is so that they can improve. You don't want to watch it and say, oh, you're trash, and then you just don't do anymore. You know, I used to be a diver. My dad used to record all of my meets, and so I was able to watch my performances and see where I could improve. So the same thing goes here. Yes, we can look at this video. I didn't re-record this because I didn't like it. I used it, I moved forward, I make new videos. Don't just get caught up on trying to make it perfect every time. You're never. Just publish it, move on, and keep creating. Where is this? This is my favorite part. The vast majority of Facebook users are on their phone. Facebook. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, but I loved it too. I thought it was such a cool effect at the time, but it was not executed very well. Gotta love it. The point is here that we just have to be willing to get started. We just have to be willing to try and be seen being bad. I got so much better when I started just creating content and making videos. And I built my brand based on just putting myself out there. This is the other, like what I consider like my first video, right? My hair's all over the place. I'm wearing this like white tee. I just got done working out. I'm in my bedroom. There's disorganized everywhere, right? But I did it and I published it, and then I made more videos, and I did a video every single week for years. And now it's today, I'm still going. It's like 6 years later, still making a video every single week. That's repetition. That's how we get better. We just have to be willing to do, and improve. So I'll leave you with this. This is my favorite quote. I share it every time I speak. In order to be great, we must first be good. In order to be good, we must first be bad. This is one of the most impactful quotes. Like, think about this. If you have a child, maybe you do have a child, and your kid starts to walk and then falls over, are you like, oh, I guess walking's not for him? No, you just get up and you try again. So if you do video and you feel like you're not great at it, that's okay. You gotta be bad so you can be good, and you can be good so you can be great. But it takes time. We have to be willing to be bad. Don't just accept I'm not good at video. Were you ever good at something you did for the very first time? No, you're still learning about how to be a better home care owner, how to better manage employees, how to better, be a better parent, relationships, husband, wife, brother, sister. We're always working and growing. We don't just quit because we're not good at something. We gotta work. Video is a skill set that will be impactful for you for years to come. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.